How's everyone doing? My name is Marcus Pollard. I'm a Western Regional Sales Manager here at Brilliant Smart Home Technology. Today I'm going to be showing you our new PoE Smart Home Controller that we have announced and will be releasing in Q4. So this right here is our home control. It is PoE, so Power over Ethernet, and this is a new product right here for us. Our home controller, it controls other smart home devices in categories like lighting, security, music, climate, shades, access, and it allows you to control all of those devices from this control panel right here. So I'll give you a quick example. If I wanted to turn the lights on, I easily go on the lights icon and simply select the lights to turn them on or off. These specific lights are wired into a Philips Hue bulb. So once they're turned on, you have the ability to select different colors. And one of the new benefits of our PoE control is the responsiveness. You can tell it's very responsive, very snappy and fast. The benefit of our Brilliant controller is the simplicity. It's extremely easy for residents and homeowners to utilize the system and to use it on a day-to-day basis. It allows for easy access into music, climate, and other categories. And it also brings automation together in the way of scenes. So with one tap of a button, I can go into the scenes category and I could activate our good night scene, and that will turn all of the lights off, it will lock the door, and homeowners can easily create these scenes without the need of a professional to come in and program it all, so it's extremely easy. So you can get in touch with me directly, Marcus at brilliant.tech or sales at brilliant.tech, and one of our sales team members will be in touch.